What's up, guys? All right, let's jump straight into it now. So we have 95 OBS, and we're gonna be changing the headlight housing. On the bottom, you got these 4 screws right here. Not a big deal at all. And then on this side, like you see the water that's in there. I literally blew a bulb probably like literally every time it rained. So it is looking super good, guys, but I can only imagine how good it's gonna look when we finally get this headlight housing out of here and put some crystal clears in. So for temporary purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these Silver Star ultra whites in because my LEDs have not come in the mail yet. So this will get us through the weekend. You're not even gonna need much. So you're gonna need your ratchet, you'll need a little extension, and you will need, let me find it, a 3/16, let the camera focus, a 3/16 socket. It'll go on top of those screws. They're like long screws, and you'll ratchet them counterclockwise. I'm trying to get this thing off because I literally just bought this extension. You will need a little extension or a longer one, but put this ratchet on here, and let's get to ratcheting. So once you would know like when it's done. It doesn't even take long. Once you finish taking the screw out, you're gonna pull the screw all the way out, both of them, the one to the left and that one to the right. And when you pull it out, you'll be able to pull the housing out. I've seen some videos where people are like pulling the whole grill off. You can if you want to, but you don't have to pull the grill off to do either one of these. And then you just twist your light out and then it pops out. And like I said, I'm putting new bulbs in. So you see that bulb being blown? Yeah, that is no good. And look at the water. Exactly. My point exactly. And then like right here you see we have all of them out. And then here you see we pearly whites. We crystal. Oh, OBS just got a set of fresh veneers. So I'm waiting for the LEDs to get in the mail, guys. As soon as the LEDs come in, I am going to take a picture of it, show you guys a before and after, and a comparison between these bulbs, which I paid $60 for, versus the actual LEDs, which I paid $69 for, and got them off of eBay. So again, thank you guys so much. Peace.